Hyundai has finally officially introduced a facelifted version for the Hyundai Tucson. There will be two variants displayed, namely the Hyundai Tucson N-Line and the Hyundai Tucson Hybrid. The new variant of the Hyundai Tucson will appear more aggressive, with one of them using a plug-in hybrid model. This model offers efficiency with performance in line with the needs of the US market. The plug-in version of this compact SUV will use the very fast Toyota RAV4 Prime PHEV available this summer. Although it will only be released in 2022, the Tucson PHEV will offer up to 32 miles of range from a full charge with a 13.8 kWh battery pack. Hyundai estimates fuel will be in the 70 mpg range. To keep the battery charged, the vehicle supports level 2 charging up to 7.2 kilowatts. The Hyundai Tucson PHEV will use a 261 horsepower 1.6-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine connected to a 6-speed automatic transmission. The vehicle has a 2,000-pound tow rating and, like other Tucson models, will be available all-wheel drive with a special snow mode. For the Hyundai Tucson N-Line will also appear aggressive. Through special bumper accessories, a new grille, black headlight bezels and side mirrors. Then, the dual-tip exhaust to the rear spoiler that gives the Hyundai Tucson N-Line accent looks more sporty. As for the interior, Hyundai gives a touch to the black headliner and red accents on the doors and seats. The exclusive impression comes from the leather-covered seats, as well as the N-Line badge on the gear lever. Also, the steering wheel is covered in leather so that it gives the impression of luxury. Hyundai presents e-handling technology to control torque for better handling. The system can even use an electric motor to apply force to the bend and improve turn response. The 2.5-liter direct-injection petrol engine makes 187 horsepower at 6,100 revolutions per minute and 178 pound-feet of torque at 4,000 revolutions per minute. The turbocharged 1.6-liter petrol engine produces 226 horsepower and 258 pound-feet of torque with the electric motor and battery. The plug-in hybrid is also a 1.6 but packs a punch at 261 horsepower and with an electric range of just 28 miles before fuel kicks in. A 6-speed or 8-speed automatic gearbox is offered, depending on the trim you choose. Front McPherson struts and multi-link rear suspension have been re-engineered, while body rigidity, sound suppression and safety have been enhanced with state-of-the-art high-strength steel. The best-selling SUV for Hyundai, the 4th-generation Tucson, boasts a sporty, modern and sleek front look as diamond-cut elements gaze at you from the sharp parametric gem grille. The cabin is hidden technology, as the Hyundai team calls it, with a lower, coverless digital instrument cluster, buttonless center stack, capacitive touch controls, multi-air mode, new ambient lights, 10.2-inch color touchscreen, keys Hyundai Digital, lock, unlock vehicle with phone, the latest version of BlueLink, and remote smart park assistance. Standard features on the base SE include an angled, telescopic steering column, 6-way adjustable driver's seat and 60/40 folding seats with reclined, middle armrests. Starting at $24,950, the Tucson goes up to $37,350 for the limited hybrid AWD. Now that's a deal. All three powertrains deliver a responsive ride, sharp handling and decent overall cornering balance. And Hyundai's 5-year, 60,000-mile base and 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty should be convincing safety, with dual front and side airbags, side curtain with rollover sensor, lane, follow assist, forward collision warning, 4-wheel anti-lock brakes with electronic brake distribution and brake assist, front, rear parking sensors and crumple zone, electronic stability and traction control, blind spot warning, forward collision avoidance assistance, remote keyless entry, daytime running lights and standard tire pressure monitoring system.